Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm at the Conodoguinet Creek. This is a new spot I'll be fishing this evening. It looks pretty promising so far from what I can tell, but I only have a limited amount of time to fish this evening, so let's get right into ripping lips. This area does look very promising, I will say that. And this is good, nice rocky bottom. There we go. Small. Feels kind of small. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, yes, 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 yes. Oh, yeah, you're, please stay on, baby. Oh, you're moving downstream. No, come here, please. Please, 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 please. I've officially lost my mind. Oh my gosh, dear Lord. Oh yes. Oh my God. Oh, let me face in away from the sun so you can see a little bit better. Oh yes. Oh, you're bleeding. How are you bleeding? You weren't even hooked in the gill, baby. Ooh, all right, well, let's get you back to safety. Oh, beautiful fish. Beautiful. Hey, swim away, girl. I don't care if I sounded like an idiot when I was landing that fish. If you don't get excited when you're fishing and you catch one like that, you might as well just stop. There's another one. I couldn't tell. My arm was in the way. I saw a glimpse of it when it jumped out of the way. Man, it looks a little, definitely smaller than that last one. Still a decent size. Yes, sir. They are feeding today, or this evening, I should say. Come here. Come on now. Come on now. There we go. Nice. Yeah, definitely smaller than the last one. That was a good hook set. There we go. Oh yeah, much better fish. All right, girl. Boy, whatever gender you are. All right, here's what's happening. Right there's where I caught the first one, and then right there is where I just caught that last one, right in this little pocket here. Definitely alongside the bank. Definitely calmer water along that side. Yeah, we're gonna stick to it. I might even fish in this little, there's a little calm pocket there where that wooden structure is. Let me see if I can't get this thing. Oh, perfect. I just didn't want to get it tied up along the trees there. Oh, that much smaller. I think that's the smallest one. Oh, look at him. Oh, that's something new for the channel. Oh, you are feisty. Don't you dare spike me. Oh, that's something new for the channel there. Rock bass. That's cool. Little rock bass. Awesome. Awesome. Cool. All right, little guy. Be free. Hey, go. Home is that way. Oh, there you go. Now he took off. Feels like a good one. Small. He's small. Yeah. I like this spot.
Yeah, they're stacked.
All right, go. There you go. This is insane. They've been picking it up as soon as it hits the water. I mean, as soon as it starts sinking, they pick it up. I forgot to hit record. Holy heck. So pretty much, I mean, right where that little wake just happened, that's where I set the hook. I mean, he was right in front of me. I had no idea it was a bite. Also, I had no idea that I wasn't recording. Man, these are some... Hey, stop. Stop. Oh, man. I'll tell you what. Hold on, technical difficulties. There we go. I'll tell you what, these are some nice fish in this area. Nice fish. There we go. Get the little... Oops, sorry, buddy. Get a little sun on him. All right, girl. Woo! Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm definitely keeping this place in mind from now on. I was literally just thinking to myself that I mean, there's a log here, but other than that, there's really no structure in the water that could give them cover. And I was just thinking to myself that, man, the last fish I caught, all of those 4 fish were around some sort of structure. Unfortunately, that is all the time I have for this video. Sun was going down and I wanted to be sure that I could still see the creek bottom. First impressions of this spot, I really like it. Next time I come here, I'm definitely, when I have more time to fish it, I'm definitely going to fish on the downstream side of the bridge that's in front of me, and as well as progress further upstream from where I was fishing. Definitely a great spot. I feel like I'm starting to get a feel for things when it comes to creek fishing, especially during the springtime. But if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. And if you want to be a supporter of the channel, please hit that subscribe button as well. I greatly appreciate it. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.